presentation today is about review challenges of English teacher in the practice of hybrid learning in the 21st century. Before that, we would like to introduce ourselves. Angela Sapeni is moderator and presenter.
I'm Devi. I'm Christiani. I'm Dr. Fiolani.
Alright, the presentation start from English Tiffany.
Alright, I will explain about the abstract. This research is conducted by the researchers lecturers in the agriculture and senior high school wide Connecticut using hybrid learning model. The purpose of this study is to describe the challenges faced by English teacher at senior high school wide Connecticut in the practice of hybrid learning in the 21st century. This research method uses descriptive qualitative interview and communication are research tools used in this study. Interview as a main tool to collect data and information from learners. After that, documentation is concurrent evidence used by the researchers to support data collections are RPP schedule of subjects, recordings, and photographs. The technique of sample selecting is saturation sampling. The subject of this study were English teachers at senior high school one. The result of this research is that there are challenges faced by English teacher in the hybrid learning model. Namely, first, learning information does not arrive from the teacher to the students. Second, the teacher has difficulty in building the character and abilities of the students. And third, the learning targets get selected by the teacher. Alright, thank you.
The COVID-19 pandemic has led to a significant shift in the education system, with many schools and universities transitioning to distance learning to ensure the continuity of education. This transition has brought about various challenges for both teachers and students. One approach that has emerged as the potential solution to these challenges is hybrid learning, which combines online learning with traditional face-to-face instruction. Hybrid learning presents a unique opportunity to create flexible learning experience that can adapt to the needs of individual students. It combines the benefits of in-person interaction with the flexibility of online learning, provide more robust education experience. However, the implementation of hybrid learning also comes with its own set of challenges, such as the need for teachers to develop new skills and the requirement for adequate technological infrastructure. Several students have highlighted the challenges faced by teachers in the practice of hybrid learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. These challenges include difficulties in evaluating students in online classes, achieving learning objectives, and preparing ICT-based teaching materials. The obstacles experienced by teachers during online learning application, internet network and devices, learning management, assessment, and supervision. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoption of hybrid learning as a potential solution to the challenges of distance learning. While hybrid learning offers many benefits, its implementation also presents significant challenges that need to be addressed. By understanding and addressing these challenges, educators can create a more effective and inclusive learning environment for students.
Methodology. The research conducted is descriptive research that aims to determine frequent and analyze the challenges of English teachers in the practice of
The process of data analysis uses theory of units and governance with three steps: data reductions, data display, and conclusion. The challenge faced by EFL teachers during hybrid learning at senior high school once in Mangkat are information not received routine students, skill and characters, and not specific learning areas. The solutions to this challenge include giving official or unofficial lectures to students who have problems working closely with student parents and evaluating learning and upgrading skill for teachers. In meetings or seminars held at school, periodically to information science and technology.
Okay, next, funding and discussion. To study on the challenges faced by English teachers in the practice of hybrid learning at Senior High School 1 in Mangkat, Indonesia, developed several key findings. The first challenge identified was the difficulty in delivering and receiving information and learning materials. This was attributed to basic problems such as limited cell phones, lack of internet package or ports, and limited access to device. The second challenge was related to building students' skills and character, with some students becoming passive and lazy in online learning. The third challenge was to value the passive learning targets, which was attributed to the limitation in teachers' ability to use technology. Okay, next. The study proposed several solutions to these challenges, including providing independent lessons to students with access problems, working closely with students, parents to minimize passive activities, and upgrading teachers' skill in information, science, and technology.
Last conclusion. The conclusion of the study challenge of English teacher in the practice of hybrid learning at Senior High School 1 in Mangkat highlights and significance of trouble faced by English teacher during the implementation of hybrid learning, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. The challenge identified in the research includes student lack of understanding, difficulties in developing student abilities and characters, and students not meeting their learning objectives. The study emphasized the need for a shift from traditional teacher-centered learning to student-centered learning pattern to meet the demands of 21st century learning. The researchers also provide recommendation for schools to provide facilities for various learning models and for other researchers to further improve and expand on the findings of the study. The conclusion underscores the implementation of continuous improvement in teaching skills and the integration